In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trezor Suite account. Trezor Suite is the official desktop app for managing a Trezor hardware wallet. You'll use it to view balances, send and receive coins, and approve every action securely on your device. We'll go from download to confidently managing your crypto. Start by downloading Trezor Suite from the official Trezor website. Choose the installer for your operating system, run it, and complete the setup. If your computer asks for permission to install drivers, allow it. Keep your Trezor device nearby, but don't connect it until the app is open. Open Trezor Suite. On first launch, it may check for updates and ask about optional analytics. Choose what you prefer. You'll land on a clean dashboard that will prompt you to connect a device. Now connect your Trezor via USB. Use a reliable cable and a trusted computer. The app will detect the device and guide you through the next steps. If it suggests a firmware update, let it finish before proceeding. Staying current is important for security. Initialize your Trezor. If it's brand new, select the option to create a new wallet. The device will generate a recovery seed. Carefully write it down on paper, in order, and store it offline in a safe place. Do not take photos or save it digitally. You'll also set a pin on the device. Pick something memorable to you, but hard to guess, and never share it. If you're restoring an existing wallet, choose the recovery option and enter your seed on the device when prompted. Advanced users may enable a passphrase. Only do this if you understand how it works. Once your device is initialized, you'll access your Trezor Suite account, which is essentially your local wallet interface tied to the keys on your device. There's no username or email. Your device is what unlocks everything in Suite. Add accounts for the coins you plan to use, select a currency, confirm, and Suite will create the account view for that network. You can add multiple accounts per coin if you like. When receiving, always verify the address on your Trezor screen before you share it. Finally, manage your crypto right from Suite. Review balances received by sharing a verified address, and send by entering the recipient, choosing a fee, and confirming the transaction on your device. Get comfortable with the dashboard, keep Suite and firmware updated, and lock or unplug your device when you're done.